Charlie here, ASPC10 Truck Builds. Wanted to provide an update on the Truck for a Hero program and what we're doing. Happy to announce that we have a Truck for a Hero build partner brought to you by SoundSkins. SoundSkins provides sound insulation and deadening material for multiple vehicles, especially for those that want to have the most performance out of their audio system, as well as have the most comfort in your vehicle with their insulating material and kits that they have. But I'm happy to say that SoundSkins is going to be partnering with us on the Truck for a Hero build and the white truck and other builds that we're going to be doing by providing materials for us to be able to put in the trucks to make them more comfortable and modernized inside, to make it feel better, make it more climate controlled, and to make it sound better too when you have a nice audio system in it. So thanks so much for SoundSkins. Definitely appreciate them partnering with us with Truck for a Hero, and it's really going to put a nice touch on the trucks that we work on. So check them out, SoundSkins. I'll put a link in the description below. And if you haven't checked out the video on the Black C10 on the Broke Dad Build channel, check it out. We used SoundSkin products on that, and it really changed the way the inside is. Really made it more comfortable inside, helped with the sound, and definitely helps with the temperature, keeping it more climate controlled inside. So again, thank you SoundSkins. So excited to be partnering with you all and for you guys helping out the cause for a Truck for a Hero program. And look forward to doing more trucks and getting them fixed up. So thank you so much. SoundSkins Global, put the link in the description below. Also check out ASPC10.org on how you can help get this truck and others that we get fixed up for heroes in need.